basic of damage stability determination in relation to SOLAS Chapter 2. Damage stability refers to the ability of the ship to remain afloat and stable after the vessel has been damaged and water enters one or more compartments. It is an important part of the ship's safety because it helps prevent capsizing or sinking after collision, grounding, or hull damage. The requirements for damage stability are found in SOLAS Chapter 2, which provides international standards for the subdivision and stability of the ship. Under SOLAS Chapter 2, ships must be designed with watertight compartments and bulkheads to limit spread of flooding. The ship should still maintain enough buoyancy and stability even when certain compartments are flooded. Modern SOLAS regulations as the probabilistic method of damage stability assignment. This method evaluates our likelihood of flooding and the ship's ability to survive different damage conditions.
The determination of damage stability involves several steps. First, possible damage scenarios are identified, such as side damage or bottom damage. Second, the probability of flooding in each compartment is calculated. Third, the survival capability of ships after flooding is analyzed by examining factors such as hull angle, trim, freeboard, and the rating arm score. The attendant index A is then compared with the required index R. If the attendant index is equal to or greater than the required index, the ship's satisfied SOLAS damage stability and requirements. The criteria for damage stability include the maintaining positive stability, acceptable hull angle, sufficient reserve buoyancy, and prevention of progressive flooding. These standards help ensure the safety of passenger crew, cargo, and the maritime environment. Damage stability is therefore an essential consideration in the ship design and operation, contributing greatly to maritime safety and worldwide.